Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about road fatalities in Jamaica. Now, as you can see, Jamaica has a lot of highways. And you would think with all these new additional roads, the number of crashes would go up. But they're actually going down, which is a good thing because that means they're building these roads better and to a higher standard, basically. So we're going to go through an article that gives you some more information on the road fatalities in Jamaica. A total of 417 road fatalities have been recorded on the nation's roads as at December 28, resulting from 377 fatal crashes. The fatalities represent a 14% decline, while fatal crashes have decreased by 11% when compared to the corresponding period last year. Westmoreland, St. Catherine, St. Andrew accounted for the highest number of fatalities to date, while males accounted for 88% of the fatalities. The data released by the Road Safety Unit in the Island Traffic Authority indicate that vulnerable road users, which include pedestrians, pedal cyclists, motorcyclists, and pillions, accounted for 59% of the road users killed since the start of the year. A breakdown of the figure indicated that pedestrians accounted for 18%, pedal cyclists 6%, motorcyclists 31%, and pillion passengers accounted for 4%. Also, private motor vehicle drivers accounted for 18%, private motor vehicle passengers 12%, public passenger vehicle drivers 2%, public passenger vehicle passengers 5%, and commercial motor vehicle passengers 2%. The unit is urging road users to obey the rules of the road and always take caution despite road crashes and fatalities trending down. In 2022, a total of 488 road fatalities were recorded on the nation's roadways. Now, this is a bit surprising, actually. Now, Westmoreland has no highways, not yet. So, in Westmoreland, you have a lot of motorcycles. I mean, you have the taxis in Westmoreland, especially in the grill, are motorcycles. Now, if you look at pedal cyclists, pillions, and pedestrians, accounted for 59% of the road users, the fatal accidents at the start of the year. 59%. Pedestrians, pedal cyclists, motorcyclists, and pillions. 59%. Now that is very interesting. Now I have to ask a question. Why do they include motorcycles and pedal cycles in data for road crashes? I mean, when you think of road crashes, you think of cars. I think they should separate it and have two different categories, not just road fatalities. I think they should have two categories because 59% have to do with motorcycles or bicycles. Let's call it motorcycles. And from you've been watching these videos, you have seen the madness that goes on with these motorcycle riders. Well, I shouldn't say that. Some of them, they literally run the red lights. It's like they have a different road code from cars. When you see motorcyclists come to a stoplight, they usually just slow down and go through the red light. I don't know, guys. What do you think? And also, how do they do it in other countries? Do they include motorcycle accidents as part of the road fatalities? Is everything put together in just one number? That's what I'm asking. Because I really think they should separate them. But I'm not sure how it's done in other countries. So guys, if you could leave a comment in the section below. But it's very interesting that 59%. And there's a law in Jamaica that says you must wear a helmet, whether it's a motorcycle. I'm not sure if it applies to bicycles or, as they call it in this, pedal cyclists. But I know motorcyclists must have a helmet for both the rider and the pillion. The pillion is a person that sits at the back. Like you have the driver that controls the motorbike, and then the pillion is a person that sits behind him. He doesn't have any control of the bike. And I don't know so many times you see people riding without a helmet. I mean, the police are stretched thin already, but it's still a law. I mean, not sure what's going on. I'm going to make a video showing you what Negril is like and Westmoreland, basically with these taxi motorcycles. We're going to make a video the next time we go down there. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this article. It's good that the number is trending down, but I really think they should separate motor car incidents from motorcycle incidents. I really think they should separate it. So guys, let me know what you think about that, and also the number going down, and also how does it work in other countries? Do they just have one number or do they separate them over there? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.